Sarura kids.
What are we cooking?
Chacha!
Salsa! Yay! So because we don't have mud, very much mud, we're going to put sand in and then we put some water so it becomes even more muddy, yeah?
Okay. There.
Okie dokie, ready for the water?
Why you just cooking more?
Even more, okay, well done. What are you doing there? Getting very splashy. Oh, you've actually got things in your mouth, right? Mummy's taking that away from you. Let me give you a rolling pin. Do you want to do some rolling? Rolling! Yay! The old switcheroo. Right, you ready for some water?
Why you just cooking more?
Okay. Alright, Mummy's going to put some water in. So you've got a nice muddy pot of food.
A food. For everyone.
For everybody, yes?
Oh no!
What are you doing? Yeah. Because she likes water. What can I do?
Oh,
I know, baby's in the water.
that's wet.
Yes, baby's getting very wet. Baby doesn't seem to care. It's okay, you can carry on cooking. The water's warm, remember?
For babysitting.
Yeah, for baby to sit in. You're making lots and lots of mud. Yes? That's the biggest, muddiest puddle I've ever seen. Do you want to go into a muddy puddle? Gotta think about that. No. Not very happy, baby. Yay!
Help me.
You want to put all of it there?
Yeah.
Okay. Where?
This.
Over here?
Yeah. Let's go in it now. Let's go in it.
Okay, pull your trousers up, please.
Come and pull your trousers up.
Like the on myself. It's very muddy here.
It is very muddy, yes?
On my feet.
Mm-hmm. Going to stomp, stomp, stomp.
Take it off my feet.
It's supposed to be on your feet.
Take it off.
That's how you stomp. Look, Mummy's stomping. feels lovely. Lots and lots and lots of mud. Dig, 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 dig.
Dig. Dot digging.
Lots and lots of digging, yes.
Wet here.
It is a bit wet over there, but what a delicious pancake that is. Wow,
Yeah.
you made the most amazing pancake.
I need whipped strawberries.
He's got one big strawberry over there. See, it's so yummy that baby's already diving in.
No. Now, baby.
There you go.
Baby! Need to get some more sand.
Some more sand. Okay, go and dig some more sand for Mummy.